Hey guys, welcome back to the Holiday Road Travel Channel. We're here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, about to ride the worst rated attraction in the entire city.
Zach and I have been wanting to do this for years, and we just haven't because we didn't want to waste our money on it, but it was time this trip.
So maybe you've driven down the parkway and you've seen a beacon of adventure along the side, dinosaurs, the Jurassic Jungle Boat Ride. So that's what we're here to ride. We're about to spend $40 for a 10-minute journey.
That's rated horribly.
I'll show you guys some of the reviews here in just a minute, but
There's lots of travel guides to answer the question, what's the best attraction in the Smoky Mountains, or how to get the best bang for your buck in Pigeon Forge, but this is not that video. No, this video is to tell you the quickest way to lose $40 on the most underwhelming attraction on the parkway, and to answer the question that plagued us for years, just what is the Jurassic Jungle Boat Ride? I'm going to have to ask that you don't feel sorry for us. No, we knew what we were getting into. We read the reviews, and pretty much every review rates this as the worst attraction in Pigeon Forge, citing poor animatronics, a complete ripoff, and most things not even working. Your adventure begins by meeting the other explorers or people standing in line, or I haven't really decided what these mannequins are supposed to represent, but they're standing there rather creepily watching you for the first good 2 minutes while you inch along the beginning of the track. And then there's this guy, which I feel like I don't really need to explain. I'm just going to zoom in on his face. That way you can take in the full majesty like I did.
Maybe the first ride of the day was free.
here we go.
Punch it.
And greatness is about to begin.
Whoa.
Okay, so aside from an unusually large set of teeth, the first animatronic is really not all that bad. At least it has light on it, which is more than can be said for the other 3/4 of this ride.
Is that a spider? Whoa. Oh, look, it's babies.
Okay, admittedly, the start of this ride is not that bad, but please keep in mind we paid almost $45 for 8 minutes of this. Things are about to get unusually dark, and I'm not talking about the poor lighting on this ride. No, a pterodactyl is about to carry a small child to his death right before your very eyes. But in the meantime, let's admire the lightning effect as we sit in the dark for another 30 seconds.
Whoa, it's a baby. It's carrying a baby.
Oh my gosh!
What is happening? Look at that one. Look at his neck. There's a baby.
Oh my god! This is all very unexpected.
Also, it should be noted that the sound effects on this ride are really, really off. Not only do the sounds sound like farm animals, but most of them are very, very delayed from any movement of the actual animatronics.
There's a maze here. Oh my.
Oh, look, there's a big one.
let's gaze together for another 15 seconds on this uncomfortably static dinosaur animatronic.
The sound effects are so real. Wow, it's moving. What? It's just floating.
Also, this seems like an appropriate time of the video to tell you, if you like travel videos, both good and bad, and things to see and things not to see, please consider subscribing to our channel. We're traveling across the country, checking out every weird roadside attraction, national park, and everything America has to offer. So consider giving this video a like and checking out the rest of what our channel has to offer.
Looks kind of like Stranger Things.
And we still can't figure out what those lights are supposed to represent.
Oh my gosh, it's a skeleton.
Oh my god.
It died. There's a lot going on in this scene. Oh yeah.
As much as I'm crapping on this ride throughout this video, I do have to note we actually did have a really fun time riding this. And while I could not in good conscience ever recommend you spend your hard-earned money on this, I'm glad we did it once.
Whoa! That's actually kind of cool.
Honestly, at this point, I'm kind of running out of things to say other than what the video says itself. But again, let me remind you that for two people, this costs almost $45. The ending of this ride is even weirder because you end up just sitting here at the very end in front of these closed doors for literally almost 30 to 45 seconds. I know that doesn't seem very long, but seriously, you're just sitting here in the dark with nothing to look at or watch for 30 to 45 seconds, waiting and wondering if the doors will ever open and let you finally escape the Jurassic Jungle Boat Ride. And with that, the ride and this video come to an end. There's not much more to say. Again, it's $18.99 per adult plus tax. It opens at 10 a.m. Sometimes the one worker who works the ride shows up kind of when he feels like it. So whenever the gates open, you're good to go. And seriously, I wouldn't recommend it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Please check out all of our other travel videos to see all of the cool and not so cool things around the country. And again, as much as we make fun of this ride, we really did enjoy it, if at least one time.